see, like, watch. There it goes.
That?
Yeah, that's on the lower RPMs it takes a long time. Versus
okay.
like a dual clutch is like, I mean, it's instant.
Gotcha.
But in the high RPMs, this thing will shift fast. I've seen it done.
See, right now you're showing those two first.
Whoa, man, your throttle is sharp. Do you have a Vitesse throttle controller?
No.
Your throttle is sharp. So,
A lot of people tell me that.
yeah, mine, I mean, it's a lazy throttle. Total lazy throttle.
That's Florida, dude. You can feel that. It's a little different, huh?
I hear the intake.
Yeah. Sucking in it.
Your throttle's so sensitive, dude.
You like it?
That was like, that was me resting my foot on the throttle.
Really?
Yeah. Mine.
I'm so used to it.
Oh man, it's a different experience.
Is it because of the year?
No, I think it's
The tune.
The tune for sure. Yeah, and autos they tend to be a little more sharper than the other
You
ones.
do this and throw traction control off.
Okay. And
And just step on
see
it.
what happens. They're in second gear. Okay.
A little different?
Yeah. I think we're making very similar power because I was gonna say my car felt a little quicker. I only had an eighth tank of gas in there. That makes a difference.
Oh, yeah.
You know how big these gas tanks are.
Yeah.
That's 200 pounds of gasoline.
19 gallons or whatever.
Yeah, and you got pretty much full tank. So I think it's very similar. That's cool. Oh, and we got the AC on too. I think that usually makes a little difference on the power. That's cool.
How'd it feel next to your other automatic?
This feels peppier, punchier, and ready to go. And faster, of course.
Feel free to floor it and try to brake, it's fine.
Oh, that's okay. That's where second gear sits. Let's see third. Wow.
You like that?
Yours spools up fast, man. No, yeah, this spools up really fast, actually.
It's not bad, huh?
Yeah, so even with a full tank, I think
You could hear it spooling just...
maybe not the horsepower per se, but I think for sure mine might be making more torque. But yeah, I wonder if it has anything to do with the intake. Because I've noticed, yeah,
Maybe.
these intakes, they make this turbo spool up really fast.
Yeah, it was designed too for the mass airflow, like, to work and sync perfectly. And then I tuned it afterwards too, so...
That's awesome.
I guess the guy was like, I have one of the few that he's ever tuned that don't have any problems having like an intake like mine. Like it actually works how it's supposed to work.
That's cool.
So maybe...
I feel like the radar detector does that.
Dude, it works all the time, dude.
Really?
If they have it on, it'll work.
Was it on right now?
Well, now it's on.
Oh,
Well,
okay.
no, if they're using a radar, like they're shooting
Oh, that's right.
it'll go crazy, dude.
Did you ever give a damn in the first place? Maybe it's time the tables turn, and in the interest of all involved, I got the problem solved, and the verdict is guilty. Man in the kill man, stepping way in the tread. Stop, drop, and roll. You were dead from the get-go, you big mouth fucker, stupid cocksucker. Are you scared of me now? But you're dumb than I thought. Always is and never was.